I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's, you know. I said, I'm living my best life. I said, I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt.
You hear him in the background? He does not want to be in the video.
Are you recording?
I am.
Oh man.
Okay, so my stuff finally came in.
Tell them about the post office.
Okay, so let me tell y'all the whole thing about me getting my packages. This is beautiful.
These are awesome.
This is, oh girl, it's beautiful. Okay, so let me tell you, the post office lied and said, oh, back it up, back it up. Okay, this is what we're gonna use. Never mind any of the other stuff that I use. I have a bunch of stuff. Shout out to Glam by Manny, for helping with those products. So, let me just start and I'll tell you a story. This could be a story time. It's a story time. Out here making stuff and I ain't even know it. Okay, so let me tell you, right, guys? So, initially, this is a Sonia Kashuk. I'm not sure. I'm botching her name. My apologies. But we're going to use that with some Fenty. Oh, wait. We got to color correct. So, I ordered my palettes along with some other stuff, right? And so, it splashed in my eye. Shit. So, they said that it was delivered. Now, at my mom's house, it's a lot of people there.
Daddy, I need to tell you something.
It's a lot of people there. All the time. Yo, what is happening with this thing? Hold on. Yo, why? I have questions. Somebody. I think it's separating. Can somebody help me? Okay, so Katie, don't come over here.
I don't know what to do with makeup.
You gotta be quiet. So, I ordered it and they said that Kaden, go inside. Kaden, go inside. Shh. Kaden, go with daddy. Okay, so they it's listed as delivered, right? And there are always 1,000 people at my mom's house, like literally 1,000. And so I'm calling my dad because I was home. I'm calling my dad. I'm like, Dad, did I have any packages come in today? And my dad goes, nope, I've been here all day. Nobody, oh, I done skipped the goddamn step. Nothing came, nothing's here, okay? So, I go and I'm there and I'm harassing the post office. Nobody knows anything. They haven't seen my package. They don't know what my package is. They don't know what happened with my stuff. Now, most people don't know this. My dad used to work for the post office. Like, for 125 years, worked at the post office. So, I know a little bit of the ins and outs of the post office and things that happen and when your mail goes missing and all this other stuff. So I go and I contact the post office. They haven't seen my package. They don't even know what my package is. No, it said delivered. No, it said delivered. It said delivered. No, but it's not here. It's not here. So they have the postal inspectors, and what they do is they let you know, like they start inspecting that post office. So this is not the first incident that we've had with them. Because you know all them girls in the in the post office got bundles, right? They stole my niece's big old bundles. Like they stole them, gone, nowhere to be found. I was like, man, these girls are bold. So now it happened with my package. Well, not just one package, 2 packages. And I'm like, I know I didn't put my address because ain't nobody ever here. I'm gonna say ain't nobody never. Nobody's ever here. So I'm like, okay, they got my package. I know it. Somebody gave their little bummy girlfriend my package and they saw what it was and they stole it. I don't know how to do eyebrows, guys. And what I was looking for is gone. So they, I got hip to them and I started a claim. I went through the whole claim process. Like, y'all want to play with my mail? All right, we're gonna start the whole claim process. Started the claim process. But in the interim, I was getting really agitated because I wanted my stuff. Okay, so boom, here's what I did. My sister lives in Texas, right? So I had the items delivered to my sister's house. And I had her mail them to me. So what I'm saying is I ordered them from one place, paid one shipment, sent to her house, right? Had to pay another shipment to get them from her house to my house. But miraculously, what happened? The packages got there, didn't they? Shirley showed up to her house. So I'm like, these girls is playing with my mail. I said, somebody's got to die. So I'm telling my dad the whole story. And he's like, put in a claim. I'm like, what? He's like, put in a claim. Like, you can put in a claim to get your money back. I was like, oh, really? Okay. So I put in a claim, right? And for both claims, they declined them the first time. So after the first time, you can always submit a second claim. So I'm like, all right, well, we're gonna submit a second claim. Submitted a second claim, right? And ta-da! They approved one and not the other. Like, really, if you didn't get one, I didn't get both. Like, stop being stupid. Thank you. So I had to wait now and complete the claim. Not complete the claim. Oh, snap. Not complete the claim, but like file a secondary claim again for the second item that I was missing. Meanwhile, I done ordered, shipped, had my sister rebox it so it didn't come in the Crayon Case container to get my stuff. But ta-da! Mama, we made it, girl. It's here. Well, everybody is here. I'm just happy that y'all are here with me. So I say all of that to say, if you really want something, you're gonna have to figure it out, because these people at the post office ain't got no respect. Anybody from Brooklyn knows that. Like, these people from the USPS Postal Service, yes, I'm shouting y'all out, and I don't care, are crazy. And then what was crazy is, my cousin worked for the post office. Well, she works for the post office, right? That's not looking too bad. Wait a minute. Okay, so anyway, I'm telling my cousin, she was like, no, they don't care about your mail. I was like, I kind of figured that they didn't care about your mail, but like, I've seen them throw my packages from Amazon down the stairs. I was like, maybe they don't like me, like, personally. That's how I always think about it. Like, it's a personal vendetta against Kay. We hate Kay. This girl get too many packages. Granted, I don't get that many packages. Everybody else that get packages comes to my mom's house. They got a lot of packages. Not me. I got one or two. Let me tell you something. These eyebrows are looking like I knew what I was doing. Let's not even pretend, because I have no idea what I'm doing with my eyebrows. They always suck. Or I have the other thing, but I can't find it, and I just lost. The baby stole my sponge.
Oh, I got you.
Ah, it's right here. I lied on her, I'm sorry. No, she didn't steal it. But, this is foundation. We're gonna put this on. I'm feeling orangey, but if y'all don't know, y'all better ask somebody. This Fenty stuff dries quick. On your face, girl. I can't even see what I'm doing. Shining bright like a diamond, literally. So, we're gonna get this super. All I really wanted was these palettes. I'm gonna finesse the hell out these palettes. I could do my eyes, though. I could do that. I can't do nothing else, though. See that? Look at that. My husband doesn't want to be on the vlog, guys. He's telling me to do something. Blend it out on the sides, guys. What are y'all saying? Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all something which is really funny. It's two of them on the other side of this camera telling me what to do with the makeup, because I don't do my makeup. It's reddish. It's red. And okay, so let's talk about my cheeks. Like, I have like permanent rosacea. Okay, let me tell y'all what I heard. I was watching this girl on YouTube. What she said was, it's very important, right? What she said was, that's all right. We can get that. We're gonna rub that down. I'm putting my head on it in a second. You gotta take the foundation, right, all the way down to your neck, on your ears, because you cannot have your ears and your neck being a different color. Now, I'm a lemur. That's what my husband says, a lemur. My skin, it changes colors. My skin is light on one spot, dark on the other. I don't know. Like, God couldn't decide. He was just like, girl, you could just be any color you want to be. You want to be light skinned today, girl? Knock it out. But in my mind, I'm dark skinned, you know? Which is a lie. It's okay. It's cool, though. I'm not even mad about that. Like, I don't know how to contour. Like, I don't know how to do half the stuff that these girls on these YouTube channels be doing. But we're going to try today. We're just going to do it, and we're just going to see what we like the best. I think that looks pretty good. No, between the eyebrows.
Here we go.
All right. Okay, so that's all I usually do. I don't usually go in. I put the mean highlighter on there because my cheeks are already red. Like, you can see how red they are through the makeup. So we're gonna get this out. I cannot do the liner, so I'm not even gonna do that. Just gonna dead it. Go on my dress and get the mascara. Okay, so I have this from the Crayon Case, and there we go. Rosy Glow. Okay, here we go. Rosy Glow Res. That's pretty, right? I have a brush cleaner. And I have pencil brushes, which are so cute. Fresh out the package. And bust that open. Throw that down. They look like, nope, they look like Ticonderoga. Fantastic. Okay, so we're gonna put all of this down. So what I'm going to use first. Super. I don't have one. Super said you can use these as highlights and blushes. So I'm going to get, I'm gonna get this first. This is, it dries clear, right? I'm gonna put it on my eyelid. I'm just putting it on my finger. I'm about to stress myself out. No, I'm not. The devil is a lie. I'm gonna put some on my hand. We're gonna see what's happening with that. But I'm gonna use this brush right here. And we're gonna paint this thing on, baby girl. Paint that thing, baby girl. This one went up a little bit too high, but who knows? I'm gonna do a cut crease today. Okay, let's rub that thing out there. Okay, so that's on. Get out. Okay, I want to see how this thing, how this works. Bitch. Girl, spread that thing out. Look at it. Let me tell you something. I love Super. Always have. She never fails. Never. Okay, so this is, I don't know. It's a little wet still. Just gonna leave that alone. I am going to use this brush for the cut crease. And this for the shadow. We have so many options. And I think I have no idea. It's so many options. Like, it's so many things and so many different ways that you can use this palette. So I'm gonna set this up, right? So I can look in the mirror, because I think we're gonna do some blues and some greens.
Alright, so it's not dried yet. I keep touching it, and I don't think it's ever gonna dry. So I'm just gonna chill out. Shake the booty. Alright, we just gonna start, because I'm getting antsy, like, I waited so long for this palette, I'm ecstatic to use them, like, over the moon. So I'm thinking I'm going to mix colors from both the palettes. We're gonna make this thing pop. I'm gonna get some dark blue, right? Let's get some regular blue.
This is blue. Girl. Girl, okay. Let's get up in here on the top. On the top. I'm gonna cover the whole lid with blue. Let me tell you something. The pigment in this thing is banoodles, like straight up. I'm not even exaggerating. I'm not even exaggerating.
Nah. Okay. So I'm going on the other side with the blue. Because with this, to be honest, I don't even know how. So we're messing up getting too close to the inside of the on the outside. Okay. So I'm thinking it's gonna be a little blue. Okay, so let's see the next thing, right? Let's see, right? We're gonna swirl. Yo, this is sorcery. Okay. So the next thing that you're supposed to do, I was reading this somewhere, is you take some concealer, right? And you put that on the lid itself, right? You take it and you go across the lid. Wait a minute. I'm gonna try something else. This is a whole thing. Let's see if this can serve the purpose. We're gonna try it on the other eye. Because if my mind is telling me, I think it will. So I'm gonna just add a dab on this side. A dab will do you. While we let that dry, do we want to be baby blue? Or do we want to be an outsider? Maybe we can be baby blue and outsider. Because that would be pretty. Right? We're doing this. Alright. Put that away. So, what you are supposed to do is take your flat brush. I have done a cut crease before. I'm going to go with a lighter color. Okay, we're doing. Okay. Super. We're playing all day with this. All the days of my life. And I'm going to add, I really want to use this outsider. I do, so I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to put it over here. I can't really see it. I'll figure it out. I think this is beautiful. Okay.
I'm gonna take some of this because this girl is everywhere, bitches. Everywhere. Look at that. Girl, you've outdone yourself. Definitely. But what I will say is you won't need a lot. Like somebody, bitch, it's a mystical glow. Oh my God. I just want to do my whole face. Just like bust the whole face down. That is beautiful. So do your chest. Do your chest. Get that thing down there, girl. You're beautiful. Looking like love. Okay. I'm going to do some mascara. You know why? Because I cannot do gluing no eyelashes on. I ain't got it. This is everywhere.
Alright, let's get some. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the eyelashes on. It ain't giving me life. It's a glitch in the matrix. I don't know where it went. I have no idea. Some of this plenty on the lips. Oh, good, yes.
Hold, please.
I got a whole hat, girl. A hat, like it's a legit hat. So look at it. Okay.
Sheila was holding her down. This is Sheila. Sheila will be making a feature every now and then. He called her Sean last week. He ain't got no respect.
Sheldon.
Just gonna put this hat right on here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Girl. What? What you say? Girl, straight out the bag. Okay. Where we going? Where you wanna go? We just try something different. And just, it was a story time. Just to let y'all know how sucky the USPS was. Bye, guys.